Hello everyone. I have been preparing for competitive examination for a long time and preparation of TRE 4 completely exhausted me. Not because I don't want to get government job but because I keep on preparing for this examination without knowing when does this exam happen. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about my academic journey. I completed my BA degree in 2024 and in the same year I qualified CTET. After that, I also qualified STET paper 1 and paper 2. But before qualifying STET paper 1 and paper 2, I was preparing for TRE 4, BPSC TRE 4 and I was waiting for notification but it didn't come. Instead of that, the notification of STET paper 1 and paper 2 released, and then I shifted my focus from TRE 4 to STET paper 1 and paper 2. And you know what, paper 1 and paper 2 has different syllabus. Like my subject is English, so in paper 1 you are supposed to study grammar, synonyms, antonyms, passages, and pedagogy and CDP was also there. But when you are appearing for STET paper 2, the syllabus has completely changed. For paper 2 you have to prepare for literature, and literature means I am not saying that literature we used to study in class 9 and 10. No, literature of graduation and master level. So it is completely different. We have to prepare these two paper. We have to give time for these two different paper. In one time both are not possible. So I worked hard and I qualified for both the paper. After qualifying state paper 1 and paper 2, I again started the preparation for TRE 4, and it's 2026 but the notification is not released yet. Yes, there was a notification that this exam will be conducted in two phases, pre and mains. That is okay, but without knowing the clear examination date, you cannot be stay motivated for a long time. I'm recording this video on my terrace and it's drizzling. I have to pause this. Suddenly it starts raining and I have to change my place. So let's come to the topic. I was preparing for a long time for TRE 4 examination, but now I've got completely exhausted. Now I got frustrated, and then I have just taken a break from my regular studies. And you know what? People usually think that such type of exam, STET, CTET, are very easy. No, it's not like that. These days, if you are not studying properly, you cannot qualify any paper. No, any paper is as easy as people usually think, and people usually say this thing that yeah, CTET and STET is very easy. No, it's not like that. Even the syllabus of TRE 4 is very different. And you know what? I am preparing only for teaching jobs. I am not trying any other fields like like CGL and all the competitive exams. No, I haven't appeared in these exams. And once I also appeared in KVS and NVS exam. That is also teaching jobs, but the syllabus is completely different. In KVS, the syllabus was GS, current affair, and computer was also there. English, Hindi, both. Maths, reasoning, and maths and reasoning is my weak point. I take so much time in solving reasoning, and the reasoning was not that easy. It was also tough. One reasoning takes 10 minutes to solve in the exam, and you have very limited time. So I didn't get selected in KVS. That's all right, but still I didn't give up. But right now I am waiting for TRE 4 exam and it is not still released. That's why I have taken a break from my study, and I just tried something different. And making these videos and speaking some lines in front of the camera has really improved me. And you know what? I have always dreamed of speaking fluent English, but somehow I didn't get that much time so that I could give on this work. And finally, I get time, because this time I started thinking that I have already prepared for the exam. I have already studied GS, and you know what? You completely get exhausted after studying for so many years, and still the notification is not released, and you don't know the clear date of the examination. So in this way you cannot stay motivated. That's why I have created this YouTube channel, and seriously I am enjoying this YouTube channel. I didn't left study. I am studying, but now I don't usually study for 6 hours, 8 hours, or 10 hours. Now I study just for 2 hours, or I just attempt one mock test and then analyze it, and that's it. Because sometimes we forget our own life in studying, and giving up is not just, and giving up is, no, it's not like that. Like if you have taken a break from study, it doesn't mean that you have given up on your studies. it means that it means that you, it means that I am tired and I need to take break, and it means that I will come back with stronger determination. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are also preparing for TRE 4, do let me know in the comments. I just want to see how many people are waiting for TRE 4. See you tomorrow in the next video. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.